overview of this product, basically how it looks like. First of all, you can see it's on off button, like you can easily turn off and turn on the device. This one is for like LED indicator. If you can see, just recording mode is on, or it's taking the picture or not. This one is for reset, like if you want to reset this pen, you can just use the any kind of pin something, or you can just, you have to just inside it, and you can hear some noise, like yeah, it's a button. So you have to just press it for approximately like 5 to 10 seconds and it will reset. For the mic is over here, it's inside the pen. And if you can see off the front, it's a HD camera, like whatever you want to record, or if you want to take any kind of picture, you can easily do it from this lens. Now you can see over here, it's a mini USB port is given. If you want to just charge this device, you can charge it over here, and you can also connect this direct with your PC or laptop through the data cable. And you can see here is one slot given. It's a micro SD slot given. You can use up to 32 GB micro SD card. And for the front part, you can see, like you can just turn it around and you can easily use the sign of this pen. Now just insert the SD card. Okay. Now just fix it. Okay, just press it for 2 to 3 seconds and this pen will be turning on, and you will see one green light. You can see green light is on and pen is now on. Like if you want to take the picture, just press it only one time, and it will take the picture. You can see it's blink and just it take the picture. Now if you want to record anything, like then you have to, if you want to shoot anything, then you have to just press this on off button like 3 seconds, up to 3 seconds, and then it will blink, the LED will blink. Now you can see it's blinking and recording is start. So it is now it's shooting mode. So like if you want to record anything, you can just record it. Now if you want to save this recording, just press it only one time, and you can see the LED is like stable. So it's all it's already record the all things whichever you want to record. So basically you can, if you want to spy anything, like then you can easily like put this device in your pocket and you can easily record anything, hidden activity. So it is very useful. If you want to record anything, like if you want to record any conference or meeting or something which are very confidential, then you can easily record it. So it's very useful. Thank you guys.